Hey friends! It's good to see you again. Our topic of today is really popular and I am sure you all use it every day. It is none other than WhatsApp. This app is owned by Meta and back in 2014, Mark Zuckerberg shocked the world by offering a whopping $14 billion to acquire WhatsApp. The offer was outrageously high, considering the revenues of the app were no more than $1.2 million and it never booked a profit since its inception. The breaking news is that WhatsApp has launched a new update of channels. In June, Meta first introduced channels on WhatsApp to users in Colombia and Singapore. In July, it expanded this feature to 7 more countries. Some famous people such as Katrina Kaif, Akshay Kumar, Diljit Dosanjh, Vijay Deverakonda and the Indian cricket team have also launched their channels and gave a positive feedback about this update. Channels are a one-way broadcast tool for admins to send text, photos, videos, stickers, and polls. Channels can be found in a new tab called Updates on WhatsApp, where you'll find status and channels you choose to follow, separate from your chats with family, friends, and communities. Some of its key features include Enhanced Directory, where you can find channels to follow that are automatically filtered based on your country. You can also view channels that are new, most active, and popular based on the number of followers. Reactions, you can react using emojis to give feedback and see a count of total reactions. How you react will not be shown to followers. Forwarding, whenever you forward an update to chats or groups it will include a link back to the channel so people can find out more. Meta's goal is to build the most private broadcast service available. This starts by protecting the personal information of both admins and followers. Following a channel won't reveal your phone number to the admin or other followers. Who you decide to follow is your choice and it's private. Channel history will only be stored on their servers for up to 30 days. Admins will also have the option to block screenshots and forwards from their channel. Moving on, it is possible for admins to decide who can follow their channel and whether they want their channel to be discoverable in the directory or not. This is just the beginning, and the company will continue to add more features and expand channels based on feedback received from the users. This is a great update by WhatsApp and is gaining attention rapidly all over the world. This shows that WhatsApp will hopefully launch more updates in the future. This was all for today. I hope you found this new update interesting and this video valuable. Make sure to drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.